Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix KOORUI monitor not turning on. So in order to fix it, you can just take a look at these instructions. Like you can first check for the basics. So you need to ensure that the monitor's power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and working power outlet. In the second method, you can just cycle the power and you can even try different ports. So I will put the link of this article down in the description, or you can even take a screenshot of these solutions that you can try, and any of these can fix your issue. And then I also went to reddit.com, and this person was saying that if the monitor shows zero signs of life, then either the power cable is faulty or the monitor itself has a hardware problem. In either case, I think this monitor should be sent back. Considering it's a brand new, it should be showing signs of no life. So it is brand new. I would also recommend you to just send it back to the customer service and they are going to fix it for you. But if it is old, then you will have to try these troubleshooting tips, and any of the methods can fix your problem. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.